The specific hair issues that Nioxin would address would be anything to do with thinning hair, scalp concerns or abrasions that could be on the scalp. The benefit to using Nioxin would be to give you thicker, fuller hair in 30 days. Nioxin treatments are incredibly customisable to anyone's needs. They will give you healthier looking hair instantly.
Nioxin is backed by the Institute of Trichology, which sets it apart from other brands in hair care.
There's 2 treatments in the Nioxin range. The first one is the dermabrasion, so that's like a facial for the scalp. It does a deep cleanse, gentle exfoliation and corrects the moisture balance on the scalp. And the second one is the scalp recovery. Scalp recovery is more for an itchy, irritated scalp, and it's more cooling and soothing, again giving that gentle exfoliation to the scalp.
One of the key tools we use is a scalp camera, which allows us to closely examine the scalp and identify any issues. This helps us to create a customised treatment plan for each client. Alongside Nioxin, we offer a fabulous in-salon treatment called a dermabrasion. This treatment is similar to a facial, but for your scalp. This treatment effectively removes buildup of dead skin cells and impurities, leaving the scalp feeling refreshed and healthier. We recommend a scalp dermabrasion treatment every 6 to 8 weeks. By deeply cleansing the scalp, we create an optimal environment for hair follicles to thrive, promoting thicker, fuller hair and healthier hair growth. Followed by the 3-step Nioxin system at the backwash, this will further improve the scalp health. We also have a wide range of Nioxin styling products and at-home hair care that we can advise our clients about. This will allow our clients to continue their journey to thicker, fuller hair at home.